Get ready to dive into a fierce battle between the OnePlus 15 and the Xiaomi 17 Pro. Both pack the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, but how do they differ in display brilliance, camera prowess, battery stamina, and unique features? Will the OnePlus 15's ultra-bright LTPO AMOLED screen with 165Hz refresh rate outshine Xiaomi's dazzling 3500 nits peak brightness and secondary display? Can Xiaomi's 5x telephoto zoom and magic back screen beat OnePlus's Hasselblad color calibration and AI enhancements? And what about battery life and cooling systems? Does the massive 7,300 mAh lie-in OnePlus trump Xiaomi's vapor chamber cooling? Stick around, because at the end we'll ask, is sheer brightness or smarter multitasking the real winner? The OnePlus 15 boasts a larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a stunning 165Hz refresh rate, 1,800 nits brightness, and Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus support, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and exceptional color accuracy. Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with a smaller 6.3-inch screen, but peaks at an astonishing 3,500 nits brightness and includes a unique secondary 2.7-inch LTPO AMOLED rear display, perfect for notifications and creative use. OnePlus edges ahead with its higher refresh rate and eye protection certification, making it ideal for gamers and long viewing sessions. Both phones run on the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, with octa-core CPUs clocked nearly identically around 4.6 GHz and the same Adreno 840 GPU. Performance-wise, they are neck and neck, ensuring flagship-level speed and efficiency for any heavy-duty task or gaming session. OnePlus 15 shines with its AI-powered Mindspace app, AI Detail Boost for enhanced capture, and a unique plus key AI button for quick actions, complemented by a Glacier cooling system and high-res 24-bit 192 kHz audio. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 17 Pro offers ultra-wideband UWB support, AI real-time translation, and a magic back screen that adds a whole new dimension to multitasking and notifications, plus advanced vapor chamber cooling. Both excel in innovation, but Xiaomi's rear display and UWB give it a futuristic edge. The OnePlus 15's triple 50MP setup includes a versatile wide, ultra-wide, and 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, with 8K video at 30 FPS and gyro EIS for stability. Xiaomi 17 Pro also sports triple 50MP cameras, but elevates telephoto zoom to 5x optical and offers ultra-slow-motion video up to 1920 frames per second. Xiaomi's camera pushes the envelope in zoom and creative video modes, appealing to photography enthusiasts. OnePlus 15 impresses with Hasselblad color calibration for true-to-life colors, laser focus, and AI-powered unblur and reflection eraser features. Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with Leica Summilux optical lenses, a color spectrum sensor, and a Light Hunter 950L sensor that delivers incredible dynamic range and backlit portraits. Xiaomi's camera tech focuses on professional-grade optics and dynamic range, making it a powerhouse for detailed and vibrant shots. OnePlus 15 packs a massive 7,300 mAh lie-in battery, promising longer usage and endurance, while Xiaomi 17 Pro has a slightly smaller 6,300 mAh SiC lie-in battery. The OnePlus's larger battery capacity is a clear advantage for heavy users and gamers who need all-day power without compromise. Both models offer robust water and dust resistance with IP68 ratings, but OnePlus 15 goes further with IP69 certification, meaning it's dust-tight and can withstand high-pressure water jets, making it tougher for extreme conditions. Both phones offer generous RAM and storage options up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, but OnePlus 15 provides a slightly wider range including 12 GB and 16 GB RAM variants at both 256 GB and 512 GB, giving users more flexibility in performance and storage configurations.